Good morning from Goa. Yes, so we are in Goa. After so many years, we finally came out on a holiday. We couldn't go out for many reasons like lockdown, then work, and then we all were unwell for a very long time. So, all of that required this break, and we finally took that break, and we are in Goa, and we are super happy. सो ये एक छोटी सी झलकी है हमारे ट्रैवल की. A lot more is going to come, so stay tuned. Look at these happy faces and these beautiful beaches. और मैंने बीच पे कुछ पेंटिंग्स भी की बट मैं उनको रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि यहाँ इस वक्त बहुत बारिश हो रही है. सो मौसम बहुत अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है. सो आई जस्ट कुडंट रिकॉर्ड दिस पेंटिंग विच आई मेड ऑन Chopura, but today I'm going to share this painting with you which I made in Bombay. It's a cute Madhubani bookmark, so let's get started. तो इसकी आउटलाइन मैंने पहले से बना के रखी है. अब उसको मैं अपने फाइन लाइनर मार्कर से आउटलाइन कर रही हूँ एक बार फिर से, क्योंकि मधुबनी इज़ ऑल अबाउट आउटलाइंस एंड बॉर्डर्स, एज यू नो दैट. सो ये मेरी ओरिजिनल डिज़ाइन है. आई हैव नॉट कॉपीड इट फ्रॉम एनी वेयर. आई होप यू लाइक इट व्हेन इट्स डन. आई रियली लाइक इट एंड आई यूज़ इट इन माई बुक्स. तो ये अभी मैं डबल आउटलाइन दे रही हूँ. मधुबनी की इन डेप्थ नॉलेज अगर आपको चाहिए तो मेरा एक क्लास है स्किलशेयर पे. यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. आई विल लीव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आप उससे मधुबनी बहुत अच्छी तरह सीख सकते हैं और बहुत आसानी से सीख सकते हैं. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल आर्ट. इट्स अ वेरी इजी आर्ट वर्क, आर्ट फॉर्म, एंड इट्स वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट फोक आर्ट फॉर्म्स. सो ये बुकमार्क बहुत ही सिंपल, बहुत ही ईजी है. आई होप यू विल गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड आई होप you will use it and like it. Please do share it with me if you make it. You know my Twitter and my Instagram handles. Don't be a stranger, just connect with me there and share whatever you recreate watching my videos. It will give me immense happiness, I tell you, because this is what I create these videos to help others learn and enjoy what I have learned and enjoyed making. सो हियर मेरी आउटलाइंस रेडी है. अब मैं एक्स्ट्रा ग्रेफाइट यानी पेंसिल लाइंस को इरेज कर रही हूँ और उसके बाद वाटर कलर से हम इस बुकमार्क को कलर करेंगे. Here are few more details which I wanted to add, and as you see I have taken kind of a modern art approach to this Madhubani artwork. I have made these fishes, like it's one fish but I have used half body on one side and other half of the body on the other side. So there I actually did not have any plan of how I'm going to paint it, what paints I'm going to. It was kind of a therapeutic and meditative procedure for me. I just went with the flow and did what came in my mind at that time, and that's how I made this bookmark. I've recently got these great bookmark papers from bookmark pads from Zen Sargam art. So if you like, I will leave the link of the same in the description. I really like them. It started with another bookmark watercolor pad I got from Canva. Canson. So I really liked filling that up, and then I got others like from Zen and from Menora. So this video is not sponsored by any of these brands. I just want to share what I used and what I liked. So this pad here is a gouache pad essentially, but I mostly use it for watercolor because I mostly paint with watercolor more than gouache, and if I have to go for an opaque medium I use acrylics. I'm more comfortable with that. I'm still struggling with gouache. So the painting I showed you of Charpura Jetty, I made that painting with gouache on location. That was my very first on location painting with gouache, open air painting, like plein air, what do you call it. But I hope you liked it. I quite liked the outcome because I did not expect even that. What I didn't like about it was it's very vibrant. I wanted something pastel. That's what was there in my head, but when I started painting, the weather became cloudy and I was scared it will be raining soon. I wanted to finish my painting quickly on location, and that's why I just thought I will not mix the colors. I used my colors directly from the tube, and that's why it's so vibrant. So okay, enough of that painting. Now come back to this Madhubani painting which we are making. Actually ये इतना simple और easy है कि मैं इसका tutorial आपको क्या ही बताऊँ. Like ये painting share करने के पीछे idea सिर्फ ये था कि एक नया idea, एक नया composition आपको मिल जाएगा ये painting देखने से. Otherwise ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple और बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy है. So for all the beginners, if you are struggling with composition, if you're struggling with coming up with a design, this video is definitely going to help you. Otherwise there is no step-by-step tutorial as such for this because it's very, very simple and easy. Even if you see the bookmark, like just the bookmark, the picture of it, you can recreate it. It's that simple and easy. Alright, so हम almost अब ये bookmark पूरा होने वाला है. So finally I am giving the background. First I thought मैं background नहीं दूंगी, I will leave it white, but then I thought background will look better, तो इसलिए मैंने बाद में ये background add किया. और अब कुछ final details with my fine markers. These markers are from Brustro. They are very nice, though my absolute favorite markers are Sakura Micron markers, but these are also perfect. They are very nice, so you can give them a try as well. And I will link all the products or the supplies I'm using here in this video in the description, so go check that out. And if you want a set for yourself, you can get that. It will help me also if you buy from that link. So if you want to help me, you can just click on the link and buy the products from there. And there are other ways of helping me too. You can subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and you can like this video and share this videos with your friends for YouTube to know that I'm doing a good job, a decent job. So please do that. Please support my channel. Please support what I'm doing here on YouTube. And you can also check out my Skillshare classes and my paintings on Society 6 and Redbubble. Yes, now I am on Redbubble also, so you can check out my artworks there and buy them from there. And I will see you in my next painting, which is a part of my 100 days art project. I know I couldn't share regularly with you all, but that does not mean that I did not make art regularly. I made art regularly every single day. I have to catch up on that. I was not keeping well, as I told in the beginning of this video, so that is the reason why I couldn't make the videos of what I painted or drew. So I made sure to make art every single day till now, but I just couldn't share it because I couldn't shoot and edit the videos. So here we go. In the end, I felt like adding color to the fin also because that was looking dull and plain. So here a light touch of yellow, and that's it. We're done. So I hope you like this mini vlog and art video. Many of such videos are going to come because we are in Goa, and I'm going to share a lot of pictures from here. So the bookmark is ready. Let's remove it and see how it looks in the book. Just few threads, I removed them and there. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. मिनी ट्रैवल व्लॉग और एक ब्यूटीफुल ट्यूटोरियल. ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे वीडियोस के लिए जुड़े रहिए मेरे साथ. एक और चीज़ आपने नोटिस की होगी, इस वीडियो से मैंने शुरू किया है हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बात करना, बिकॉज़ मेरे कुछ व्यूअर्स ने ऐसा कमेंट करके बोला कि उनको हिंदी में वीडियोस चाहिए. सो हियर वी गो, दिस हैज़ स्टार्टेड नाउ. I will see you in my next video.